In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a zoom feature to your images on Wix. Let's dive right in and explore this handy tool, which can really enhance the visual experience for your website visitors. To get started, open up your preferred web browser, ideally Google Chrome, and head over to your Wix editor or studio. Once you're there, the platform will display your current project, allowing you to make modifications with ease. Now, the next thing you want to do is identify the specific image or gallery on your website to which you'd like to add this zoom functionality. This could be a product shot, a photo gallery, or any image where you want viewers to take a closer look. Click on the image, and you'll notice various settings pop up, giving you several tools to adjust and personalize your visuals. Here, you should focus on locating the image settings. What you're looking to do is enable the zoom feature directly from these settings if available. This handy feature is something Wix provides to create a dynamic viewing experience. However, if you don't see a built-in option, no worries at all. Wix has a solution for that. Head over to the Wix App Market, an excellent place full of functionalities designed to maximize your website's potential. In the App Market, search for a Zoom app that suits your needs. There are several to choose from, and they're typically easy to find with a quick search. Once you've decided on an app, add it to your site. Integrating this into your setup is usually a straightforward process that the app itself will guide you through. Now that you have the zoom feature in place, it's time to customize it. You'll often have the option to adjust the zoom behavior, which might include how much the image enlarges, the animation style, and even the appearance. Take a moment here to think about how you want your audience to interact with the image. Make sure the settings reflect your vision and enhance the viewer experience. With everything set up, there's just one more step. Save your changes to ensure nothing is lost. It's always a good practice to frequently save your work when editing. Finally, when you're satisfied with the look and function of your image zoom feature, go ahead and publish your site. This will make all your hard work visible to your audience in real time. And there you have it. Adding a zoom feature on Wix is a seamless way to increase engagement and offer your audience detailed visual content. I hope you found this video helpful and feel more confident in your site's presentation capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!